Okay, so we are now going to start off with the colored part. So with the shell, we start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We place the stitch marker on the last stitch, and then we tighten up to create the first round. And now we work the second round, which is 6 increases, which means 1 increase in each single crochet. So here the first one is always the one which is a little bit harder. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now you put back your stitch marker. We now can count the stitches to verify they are actually 12. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so I want to go fast, so I won't always count all the rows, but I advise you to do that, especially if it's one of your first projects. Now round 3, it's 1 single crochet increase 6 times. So 1 single crochet increase, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. And this was round 3. Round 4 is 1 increase single crochet 6 times. So we do one increase into single crochet 6 times. So we start with 1 increase and 2 single crochet, one increase, sorry, I have to count if I did correctly, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, so 1 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 increase and 2 single crochet, 1 increase and 2 single crochet, 1 increase and and 2 single crochet, one increase and 2 single crochet, and one increase and 2 single crochet. Okay, so at the end of this round we should have 24 stitches. We can count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 correctly. Okay, so now we move on with round 5. Round 5 is 24 single crochet, so 1 single crochet in each of the stitches of round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now round 6 is 5 single crochet, increase 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one last increase. And now we should have 28 stitches. We can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Good. And last round of the shell is round 7, and we're going to work 28 single crochet in front loop only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Normally what I do then is I add one more slip stitch, and then I cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing, because this will be needed to sew the shell on the body. So leave a long tail. Then you pull out the yarn, and then what I advise you to do last is to insert the yarn in a tapestry needle, and then to finish fastening off in this way. So here is where you did your slip stitch. You insert your safety needle here, pull out, and then you insert the safety needle in the last stitch, and you pull out, and then you pick one random stitch here on the inside, you pull in, and you tighten up to make a knot. So you fix it well, and the shell is complete now.